Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing some work on my 2023 VB WRX. This one's going to be a little bit of a different one as there's no major parts to go on the car. However, I have just received my shipment from 21 Overlays from Sydney. So we're going to be putting some vinyl overlays on the car. So just a quick overview of the overlays we're going to be putting on the car today. We've got some for the headlights. These are for the rear reflectors, indicator, wing mirror indicators, and we've got two pieces here, and these go on the reverse lights in the middle of the rear lights. So I'll get the car moved so we can start working on the rear of the car, and we'll go from there. So these ones are actually going to be a pretty quick and easy install. At the time I purchased it, I also purchased their little vinyl applicator. It's just a hard edge with a felt around it. Their instructions also say to use warm soapy water, so I've just filled up a bottle of spray bottle with water and added some dish soap to it, ready to go. So I'll just give this a quick clean down with a microfiber cloth, and we'll be ready to go to start the install. As a test run, I'm just going to be doing one of these small rear reflectors, just in case I make a mistake. So I've just given that a quick spray up. Clean all that up. Just remove the vinyl piece from its backing. Just give it another light squirt. And try and line it up as best as I can. The water just helps to give it a bit of movement whilst I position it. I'll just quickly grab a squeegee and try and work out all the air bubbles. There we go. That's the first installation. It's still got a bit of water on it, so I'll just let that dry out and see how it looks afterwards. But for now, we'll continue on and we'll move on to this rear indicator, reverse light area, and see how we go. Well, that one took me a little bit more work, but as you can see, it's on there now. I'm not sure if these are a couple of air bubbles that I might have to try and get out, or whether they're imperfections in the glass. But I'll have a look and finalize this one. What both of those spots were actually just tiny bits of dust underneath the vinyl. So I've just peeled it back, repositioned it, cleaned it up a little bit, and you can see there's another little bit that I just need to get rid of here. And then it will look final. I'll move on to the other side after this. So I've just finished up completing all the vinyl overlays. The hardest ones I'd say were probably the wing mirrors, as they've got quite a few details to them. Because of the way these overlap on the sides and underneath, I'm not sure how long these will last. But I've also got the cherry blossom wing mirror caps to come, so I may fix it up once those go on. Speaking of things to come for this car, I'll just quickly go over what I've got on order and what's currently in progress for shipping. So moving to the front of the car, from 21 Racing we'll have the STI sports grille to go in the front here. Also behind that I've got a cherry blossom cross brace from Street Element and D-Maker on the way. From Japan Parts I've got the piano black with DRL fog light covers. They're already actually here, ready to go on, but I want to do them at the same time as I do the front grille. You may have already noticed that I've also changed the number plates out. This is to reflect the channel and my Instagram handle. Moving up, we'll have the D-Maker color matched enlarged scoop, and under the hood we'll have some Sawyer caps in the red to match the rest of the Perrin. And from 21 we'll also have the STI cross brace. Moving to the back of the car, we'll have the D-Maker spec vortex generator and rear spoiler, both color matched, and they are currently in shipping. We'll also have the STI color matched spec wing to go on this car in the near future. For the inside of the car, I've also got the STI LED seal strips to come in, and I've just recently completed, I didn't actually film this, some more carbon fiber goodies from Android Motorsport. We've got the switch covers all around the car, and I've also grabbed an STI pink shift knob to go with the rest of the theme of making this an STI themed car. Also recently I've completed the swap over to an R400 kit from NVIDIA. This is making the car sound much louder and gives that distinct Subaru rumble that it was missing with that Q300. So I think that's actually going to finish it up for this video. I don't have any more parts to install, and everything I have is currently on the car. So hopefully you can join me on the next one, when hopefully all the larger cosmetic pieces are on their way and we can start installing them. See you in the next one.